What's up, channel link holder? So what's going on, my millionaire brother, channel link holder? Today video is going to be very special because I have one special news, one good news for channel link holder. Yes, this is very urgent and special news, and especially for my channel link holder. So guys, and also I have surprising for you to use this time. You can see here the chat occur and very positive, and channel link gone up. Channel link is growing. Start now, my friend. So the price prediction is very important. Let's get started the price prediction of channel link. But if you are new on our channel, please most welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to you have don't miss our new content. Yes, please subscribe it because I guide you, and every time I guide you. You personally message me on Instagram. I have 3 year experience in a crypto market. If you need any question, if you have need any help there, please message me on Instagram. This time, if you can see here, the link is available in my channel. This time, guys, first of all, I show you the 3 charts as a channel link, and then we decide. And the end, I give you a good news. So this time, if you can see here, in the last 7 days, 40.29 US dollar is the latest price. I think the price is very increased. Absolutely, the price increased from 32 or something price to 40. Oh my goodness, this is at US dollar gone up, and just in a few days. What a brilliant change, man. What a brilliant change. They change agar minus 24 1 to minus 26.69% gone up. Congratulations, the market volume has gone up. Congratulations, my brother. They gone like a rocket. They are on moon. You can see here, good jump, good jump, absolutely good jump. You can see here, and the last few years they're totally gone straight. Sometimes they gone down, but absolutely you can see here, and the few days they gone up like a rocket. So congratulations, my channel link holder. They are starting growing up. Let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result is very important, guys. Please remember and note these changes and the price. You can see here, this time they got up. You can see here, sometime if they take a small jump, then absolutely they take a high jump. You can see here, this is amazing tricks. You can see here, they take a small jump, a dump, and they take a high jump. So congratulations, my brother. This is a new trick you can see here, discover in this video. If you can see here, they gone down, then absolutely after a dump they gone up. So please buy it after which time they gone up. Buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. So please, my expectation is very good from channel link. Please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good price. What you say? Please share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. The good news is that to channel link giveaway is coming soon. I do a giveaway of 100 channel link coin. Yes, 100 coin giveaway is coming soon. I make a special video for this, but this time I just announce you to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Okay, guys. So let's check out the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour result. The last 1 hour result is absolutely very important. You can see here the last 1 hour result. This is a good news for everyone. They are not a negative. Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations. Channel link going up slowly, but anytime channel link gone up. Congratulations, my brother. The price absolutely does not decrease. So this is very good news for everyone, especially for holder of channel link holder. So I hope you understand to please buy more, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I cannot sell it. I wait for 2025 because I am a long holder. Okay, so this time I'm waiting just for 2025. I hope they give me a very good profit. What you say? Can I am right to I wait for 2025? Please tell me. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video. If you need this type more video, please press bell icon for latest videos notification.